Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Casselberry local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a moving company that provides long-distance services. Whether within the state or across state lines, a long-distance move is over 100 miles from your current location. Moving your household items over long distances requires experience and expertise. Our movers dedicate time to work with your schedule, preference, and budget. Our drivers are also experienced and careful. Our moving trucks secure your belongings during the move. We have a close relationship with both state and federal authorities in charge of long-distance moves. We also have licenses to transport your belongings over long distances. Our insurance policy is top-notch. You are in safe and capable hands when you hire our moving and packing services. We are the best local movers anywhere around you in Casselberry, FL. A local move also requires adequate preparation. Our movers pay a lot of care and attention to your belongings. We assure our clients of the safety of their belongings. We work with only the best movers and moving equipment. We have a lot of referrals from locals because of our affordable hourly rates for moving labor. 3 Movers offers top-of-the-line services at the lowest price. Depending on some factors, we charge around $30 to $40 per hour. Ask the locals around. We are their favorite. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Casselberry moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.